YouTube. I'm here for a little update of the Warrior and something else I got. The Warrior's kind of the same, I guess, a little different. Trying out a new front end. I got the ASR plus 2s back on it with a set of Elka. They're just like the stage 1. Yeah, a buddy of mine is letting me try them out, see if I like them. So yeah, we'll see how they are. I haven't, all they are is just preload adjustable, no compression or rebound, which kind of stinks, but we'll see. Still pretty cold here in Ohio, around the 20s, so working on the clutch. I need to get a new clutch cable. I think I'm going to switch it to the Raptor 350 setup. Everybody says they're supposed to be a little easier. We'll see. We got this DMC dual on it. Pretty cool pipe. About the same as the other video. A little different front end. I got the plastics off. They're right there. Messing with the carb a little bit. This one has the 366 motor in it now. JE 10.5 to 1, Web 390 cam. I ported the head. Kimble white valves. Stator, or Ricky stator. I think it's actually an RM. I think I got an RM stator in this one. FCR carb. Custom intake manifold I made. Nice intake boot. CFM airbox. The carb's off a 2006 YZ250F, so it's the 37 millimeter. Still fiddling with it. It's super cold here, so I haven't even been messing with it. The extra wiring we got here is a relay for an electric fan I put on it for the oil cooler. You can kind of see it. It's a 4-inch spal fan. It really does pull a lot of air through that cooler, so it'd be cool to see how it does on hot days. So yeah, I mean, new light covers, I found those are pretty cool. I always use the light bar anyways, so I'll never use the stock lights. They suck anyways. I mean, as for parts, I think that's it. It's got the new motor, the other carb, different exhaust. I still got the yosh right there. Still got the Fox floats I had on it with +3 custom arms I made. It's just so wide. It sits at 50 inches with the stock wheels. So, I don't know, we'll see. Playing around with it. And here is the new addition. I want to take it outside, but it's super windy to get a video, so. I just picked it up last week, 2014 Raptor 700R Special Edition. Super low hours. It's got the stock front tires. I mean, you can see how much tread's left on them. I got the stock rears over there by the welders. But yeah, just bones. It's all stock. That's all. This has always been my dream quad. My buddy's got a 450R. I ride that one frequently. It's just not as comfortable for me, being 6'5". This one is really comfortable to ride. The seat's real comfortable. The bar height, and yeah, it's got a lot of power to move my big ass around. So, but yeah, it's got Nerf bars. Those were on it when I got it. It's got the GYTR aluminum heel guards, GYTR front bumper. The guy before me put all aluminum A-arm skids, belly skid, and a nice rear aluminum skid. So yeah, this thing's a beast. Here's the new wheel and tire that's kind of for the Warrior, but it kind of found their way on this. They're ITP C2 beadlocks made by Champion years ago. I just got them back from the powder coater. Turned out really good. GBC XC Masters. Just need to get something for the front to kind of match it. But yeah, should start right up. Fuel injected, so it doesn't give a shit how cold it is. I was just riding a little bit ago, so it wasn't a cold start. So yeah, there's the new edition. Any questions? Please ask, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff that the YouTubers say. And thanks for watching.